students. This is Priya Singh. Today I am going to take class of mathematics of standard 4. So come and join me on my online class. Today I am going to take the topic is numbers. So before starting this chapter, I want to ask about some questions from your previous classes. As you all know, I think you all of you have studied about numbers in your previous classes. That is 3-digit number, that is 2-digit number, that is 4-digit number. So before starting this chapter, I want to ask something about numbers first. So, how can we make numbers? How can we make numbers? So before starting this number, I will tell you about some kinds of numbers, that is 4-digit number, 3-digit number, 2-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number, and so on. So you have seen here that I have used a term digit here. So what do you mean by digit? What do you mean by the term digit? So what do you mean by term digit? डिजिट क्या होता है, आप इससे क्या समझते हो एंड इसका क्या यूज है हमारे नंबर्स में? बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस चैप्टर नंबर्स, आपको जानना पड़ेगा कि डिजिट होते क्या है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डिजिट? सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस टर्म डिजिट, आई वांट टू आस्क ऑल ऑफ यू आउट देयर ओवर देयर दैट do you know about digit? If you know about digit or digits, you already know about numbers. I think all of them have known about numbers, but I'm sure about that very few students have known about digits. Very few have known about digits. So today I am going to tell you about the term digit. What is this digit is? Digit क्या होता है, आप इससे क्या समझते हो? इसके बारे में पहले मैं टॉपिक क्लियर करूंगी. So I am going to start the topic digit. First of all, I am giving you some examples here. Sorry. So, you have seen all of these numbers or known about these numbers in your previous class, in nursery, in LKG, in UKG. I think all of you have studied about these numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. See everyone that I have used here and. I have used here a term and. It means that at the number 9, it stops. It stops at 9. It is not continuing to 10, 11. It is just stopped at 9. आप सभी ने पढ़ा है 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 4 5 6 7 8 एंड 9 के बारे में। और हम लोग मोस्टली इसे बोलते क्या है? नंबर्स। व्हाट वी हैव यूज्ड है द टर्म numbers for them. We have used the term numbers or number for all of these numbers or digits. So before starting the term digit, I want to ask you about one more thing, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 are numbers? Is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 are numbers? Think about it. Are these terms are numbers? Are these terms are numbers? No. No. No, students. These are not called numbers. These are not called numbers. The term or the things or the figures I have written over here is or are digits. The terms or the figures I have written over here are digits. ये digits है, ये numbers नहीं है। ये क्या है? These are called digits. Are called digits. So your point about digits is cleared now. So your points about digits is cleared now. So I will move to the topic numbers. So I will move to the point numbers. So before starting numbers, you have already known about the term digit. Digit क्या होती है? So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 are called digits. You have right like this. 0 1 2 3. The figures 0 1 2. Wait, before starting numbers, I'm explaining the definition over here first. Students, for written here numbers before starting the topic. Sorry, my students, I have written over here numbers. So before starting the topic numbers, I want to clear some more points of digits here. So first of all, the topic, the point, definition of digit. So everyone write down the definition of digits. The digits or the digit. So my students, I have written here the definition of digit. The figures 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are called digits or simply called figures or digit. So figures 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 और 9 को digits कहते हैं. So we will move to the other point. I have written here the smallest digit and the largest digits. As you see on the board, that from which digit, from which figure it is started. Everyone out there. Yes, just see that from which figure it is started. So it is started from 0. It is started from 0. So the smallest digit is 0. हमें पता है कोई भी numbers, कोई भी figures जिस initial point से start होती है वो smallest term या smallest thing होती है. So we will move to the other topic, that is the largest digit. So where the digit where the figure is ended. Where the figure is ended, it ends at 9. It ends at 9. So our largest digit is 9. Everyone, you have to write down it in your notebook. Everyone. आपको जानना है स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट क्या होती है, लार्जेस्ट डिजिट क्या होती है. हमारी सीक्वेंस ऑफ डिजिट्स में हमारा जो ये सीक्वेंस है डिजिट का, इसमें स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट क्या है, इसमें लार्जेस्ट डिजिट क्या है, वो पता होना चाहिए. So I think that you all have written the topic, digit, the definition, the smallest digit, the number digit, the sequence, everything, I think. So we will move to the point, we will move to the chapter numbers. So I am starting the topic number. So my students, see the definition of numbers. First of all, you have to write the definition and the example of numbers. Yes, so the definition said that the combination of digits are known as numbers. So the definition said that the combination of digits are known as numbers. It means that if we combine digits, then we get numbers. If we combine digits, we will get numbers. We will combine 2 digits, we will combine 3 digits, we will combine 4 digits, we will combine 5 and as so on. It's so from the top, so from the definition said that the combination of digits are known as numbers. हम जब digits को मिलाते हैं तो हमें मिलता क्या है? Numbers. When we add or when we combine digits, we will get numbers. That is 10, that is 11, that is 12, that is 23, that is 393 and as so on. It totally depends upon us that how much digit we will combine to get a number. हम लोग कितने digits को combine करते हैं numbers पाने के लिए. It totally depends upon us. So class, now we will know about 2-digit number, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers and as so on. Now, what is this 2-digit number is? As the topic said, 2-digit number. As the topic said, what is the topic? The topic is saying that the number containing 2 digits, the number containing 2 digits or the combination of 2 digits, the combination of 2 digits is known as 2-digit number. So when we move to the 3-digit number, as the topic said, it is a 3-digit number. It is a 3-digit number. So the combination of 3 digits is known as 3-digit number. So we will move to the other one, that is the 4-digit, that is the 5-digit, that is the 6-digit. It means that when the topic said 4-digit number, we will have to combine 4 digits to get a 4-digit number. When the topic said it's a 3-digit number, then we combine 3 digits and we'll get a 3-digit number. And when we combine 2 digits, we will get a 2-digit number. It means that the topic said that the 10-digit number, then we have to combine 10 digits to get the 10-digit number. So class, so my students, I think you have written all the topics from the board. Now, the definition, you have to write everything. Don't skip any topic. Do not skip any topic. The definition, example, the kinds of numbers or the terms of number, that is the digit, that is the 2-digit number, that is the 3-digit number, that is the 4-digit number and as so on. Before moving to the other topic, you have to write down all the things from the board first. Okay. So my class, class, now I'm going to start. I think you have all, I think the topic, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 10-digit number, 50-digit number is cleared now. So here I am going to teach you. So here I am going to teach you about 4-digit or 5-digit number. Only the 4-digit and the 5-digit number. So before starting the topic, I want to ask one more thing that in 4-digit number and 5-digit number, we have to study, we have to know about increasing order, decreasing order, place value, face value, make largest and smallest number, greatest and smallest number, or to make greater or smaller number, put greater or smaller signs to the numbers, and as so on. Many of the topics. There are too many topics. I think too many. So before starting 4-digit number and 5-digit number, I want to ask, and I think all of have studied about increasing order in your previous classes, that is from standard 1 to 3rd. You have studied about increasing order, decreasing order, place value, face value, largest to smallest numbers, greater and smaller number, to make greater smaller numbers from the given digits, and as so on. There are too many topics. So before starting 4-digit number, 5-digit number, you have studied about increasing order. You have studied in increasing order that what is this increasing order is. What is this What is this decreasing order is? What is this place value? What is face value? Make largest and smallest number, greater and smaller number, and as so on. So before starting this chapter, I want to give you some homework now to check who has known about all other things. Then I will move to the other topic, or I will start these chapters or the topics of 4-digit number or 5-digit number. So we will move to the homework first. So class, before moving to the topics I have written down to the board, I want to give you some homework first to check that do you know about the following topics or not? Do you know? So I have given the first question is write the number name of the following. The second thing is arrange the following in ascending and descending order. Write the place value and the face value of the following. So class, your fourth question is make largest and smallest number from the following. Write the predecessor and successor of the following. Before I mind recalling again and again, students, before starting the chapter I have mentioned on the board, I want to check that your topics is cleared or not. So I will give you some homeworks on the board. You have